First the storm, and now we're under a marine line. I gotta turn this stuff back on because the power pretty much flickered. I have my flash on for right now, so. No, don't worry. The power did not go out, but I just have it on. Because, you know, I am pretty scared. I'm told to have my computer unplugged for now until the storm passes, so we do not have a power surge. For me, man, I'm sure I'm not getting any sleep. Dang. Wait, I want to check what side of Wayne County's under it. Okay, no, it's literally the entirety of the 4 counties in it. Do not ask what that ta-da sound is you're hearing. Chris wanted me to set all the sounds on my computer to the ta-da sound. And that was my tablet. I promise you that was my tablet. Shut up. Another one. I might lighten this lower just in case if I have to unplug my computer due to the storm. For 3 a.m., are you kidding me? Why? Is this even gonna end, bro? Come on. I cannot show that. Is this really even gonna end, bro? Come on. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? The entirety of Wayne County? Bro, I'm under this. Leave us alone, Mother Nature. This is even till 7 a.m. too. Oh my gosh, bro, come on. Even the 250 went off, how nice. Four a.m. Is this storm? Well, I'm fucked again. No freaking surprise.
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Franklin, Eagle Harbor, Melvindale, Gibraltar, Commerce, Pleasant Ridge, Westland, Huntington Woods, Wolverine Lake, and Woodhaven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Oakland, and Wayne.
And no longer responds to a medical or surgical treatment that lowers testosterone. There's not hormone therapy.
There it goes.
Thunderstorm watch number 656, effective until 1 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Monroe, Oakland, St. Clair, Washington, and Wayne, and the following: St. Clair River, Detroit River, in Lake St. Clair, and the same waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's been like a while since some of this shit.
Has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River until 10:15 p.m.
We finally got a warning for once. Took a while. It's all 10:15 a.m. I'm gonna get. Yeah, I'm still on the enhanced. And right as soon as that gets issued in, this gets issued. No, like right as soon as this gets issued and this gets issued, this gets issued. Frickin' area hydraulical discussion. Let's check this out, and we also got a continuation of the SVR. Gosh dang. There goes Opera GX playing their music whenever there's not even any single sound on the thing. I'm gonna have to keep one of the radios on so I do not get spooked again. I think I'll keep this one on. Yep, I'll keep that one on. That one has not gone off, and neither is that one. What's going on? I gotta check these out.
Lows in the upper 60s.
No frick.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%.
No wonder.
Friday, cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs around 80. North winds 5 to 10. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Northwest.
Another marine warning, this time for Lake St. Clair, not St. Clair River. They're still under the previous marine warning. This one's until 10:30, which is like 15 minutes after the first one expires.
Nautical miles northwest of St. Clair shores, moving south at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Stronger thunderstorms will be near New Baltimore around 9:35 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge and St. Clair shores around 9:45 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light and Metro Beach Metro Park Marina around 9:50 p.m. Grosse Pointe around 10 p.m. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Freaking gosh. Oh my freaking gosh.
Severe thunderstorm will be near Holly and Ortonville around 9:40 p.m.
What? What?
Around 10 p.m.
What?
Milford around at 10 p.m.
Bro, how many warnings are there
around
gonna
at
be?
10:25 p.m. Millvine around 10:30 p.m.
Bro,
Northville around 10:05
no way.
p.m.
No way. There's a
Fairfield
freaking
around at
destructive
10:45 p.m.
warning.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Keto Harbor,
We got
Waterford,
another
Orchard Lake, Holly State Recreation
MCD.
Area, Commerce, Rose Center, Lathrop Village, Auburn Hills, and Freedom Farms. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties. Oakland.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna be getting a tornado warning for Livingston, I think that's what it is. Yeah, Livingston.
Here is the forecast for the northern...
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for central Livingston County in southeast
Bro!
until 10:15 p.m.
Oh!
At 9:37
No!
a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Livingston or in Fowlerville, moving at 40 miles per hour.
What?
This is a particularly dangerous situation.
No! No way! No way!
Damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to the...
My heart's racing, bro. No way! What? Oh my gosh!
Businesses and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible.
Oh my...
Tornado will be near
Oh my gosh!
45 p.m.
Oh my...
Powell and Oak Grove around 9:55
No
p.m.
way. No way.
Brighton around 10:10 p.m.
Oh
Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm
my...
include Parker's Corners, Conway Township, and Deerfield Township.
What? What?
Includes the following highways: I-96 between
What?
125 and
Oh my
136.
god!
Plus 23 air-mile marker 6.
No! No! Oh my gosh! I am shaking so much. There's no way this is real. Oh my gosh. My hand is shaking so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? 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 No way. I'm not feeling so good. I'm like really not feeling so good. Oh my gosh. This is actually PBS warning. Oh my gosh. There's actually a PBS tornado warning for this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wasn't even that long. This is like
Open the radar. Open the radar. Oh my gosh. Excuse me now? A second watch? Excuse me now? I'm still shaking, but God. The warning is no longer a PDF, so I'm just glad. I literally said my prayers during that, and it helped. Oh my gosh. I'm hoping this music does not get me copyrighted, because this is Opera GX music for, like, you know, whenever there's like no audio on like anything of the browser. Where even would it be for GTX? Monroe? It shows. I think Lenawee and Monroe, because they are in it. Only a very tiny portion of Wayne County is under it. Like, literally like almost 0.1 foot. Washtenaw, so I could tell this line is like going straight like this. I could tell the line goes like that. I'm not even looking at the Geo level 3 thing. I didn't go on that. Shut up and I'll show you. Same with you, Max. Shut up. You two works. You're gonna give out reception? Okay. Trying to make sure it does not shut off on me.
Morenci around 10:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, River, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, Pleasant Lake, Sand Creek, Medina, and Weston. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Washtenaw.
Already got a... Wow. That's what I thought. SBC, you lied. You pulled a freaking fast one on me. Look. Literally look at the... It said... Storm Prediction Center issues SVA 657 for portions of DTX. When I click on it, not even a single DTX county is under 657. Bro. Every single thing, SPC and DTX keep trying to pull fast ones on me today.
National Weather Service in Detroit.
Bro, DTX has been like trying to go off the air. Like literally they were glitching out. For the time I was not even recording.
At 10:01 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of St. Clair Shores to 30 nautical miles northwest of the Ambassador Bridge to 34 nautical miles northwest of Lapeer, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in sudden...
Oh!
Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near the Ambassador Bridge, Elizabeth Park Marina, Wyandotte, Bell Island, Gibraltar around.
You guys saw what I meant when I was not even recording? It was doing that for like before this alert. And you guys heard it. I know you guys heard it. You literally heard it do that.
Detroit River